Hello, students, good afternoon. Today we resolve the activities from project number 3, week number 1. The topic is, how important is technology for you? Okay, in the previous class we talked about some activities that we can do in our cell phone. Okay, this activity we resolve in class, but please check what are the correct answer about this. Okay. Number 1 is make phone calls. Number 2, send messages. Number 3, surf the internet. Number 4, take photos. Number 5, make a video. Number 6, share photos. 7, listen to music. Number 8, check email. Number 9, play games. Number 10, shop online. And 11, watch movies. Okay, with this vocabulary, we were in the next template. Okay, go ahead. Second activity, read and complete the sentences. Okay, we complete these sentences with the words in that box. Okay, that we have chats, listens, make, send, share, surf, watches. Okay, remember when the verb finish with s or es corresponding to a third person of the plural, of the singular words. Okay, in this case we say Maggie uses her phone to the internet. What is the correct verb? Okay, but the internet is okay, check the internet, listen internet, make, send, share, surf. Okay, according with the vocabulary that we reviewed in the previous slide, we have the correct verb is surf. Okay, that's good. Activity number 2. She can phone calls and messages. Okay, in this case, we can use two verbs. She can. Okay. Make phone calls and send messages. Okay. Number 3. She also to music and movies. Okay, we need two verbs more, but in third person with she. Okay. We review again with chats, listen, and watches. Okay, according with this, she also listens to music and watches the video. Watches movies, sorry. Number 4, she used one app to photos with other people. Okay, in this case we can use some apps, that's Facebook, Instagram. Okay, we can share photos. Okay, that is the correct verb is share. Okay. Next activity number 3. According with this is a short explanation about we can read the email address in English. Okay, do you know? To read an email address in English, say at for arroba and dot for period. Okay, we have here this email address, this Veronica 75@stickmail.com in Spanish. But in English we can read this, Veronica75@stickmail.com. Okay. There are other extensions for this, other domain. Okay, without this .net, .org, and .edu. Okay, but with this point or period we read dot. Okay, next, continue. Now, activity 3 is read and complete this email. Okay, this is mail from Maggie. Maggie held to Veronica. Veronica is her aunt, and she need to use the first time an email account. Okay, we had to complete this email with the verbs. Compose is to write, reply is to answer a message, say it's to keep the information, print, okay, take a copy, and delete, erase, or cancel a message. Okay, inbox that are the email that's coming, send items that got out, and say item when you keep the information in your account, and trash is all the garbage items. Okay, that's complete. Dear Aunt, here are some tips for your new email account. Click the button to keep important emails. These go in the Say Item folders. Okay, but Say Items. Okay, this Say Item. What is the correct button for to keep information? It's Save. Okay, is the same in guardar. Okay, next, clip. To respond an email, the new email go back to the sender. Okay, that's is when you answer a message. That's reply. Okay, next, to make a paper version of an email, click. This is only for important emails. Okay, do you have a copy in papers about email that is print? Okay, to put an email in the trash, this trash clip, use it for young mail and all messages. Okay, but this is delete. Okay, and the last, to write a new email, click in compose. Okay, compose to write. Yeah, I have this help. Okay, these tips helps. Love, Maggie, and you click here, send, and your email sends to another person. Okay, the last activity. Read and match with their complement. Okay, save, the verb are save, late, compose, print, and reply. What is a complement? A new email, a paper copy to an email, important messages, and young mail. Okay, what is the first? Save. Okay, we can here save. What we say the important messages. Okay, delete. Okay, that is unnecessary information, this junk mail. Okay, compose. Okay, when you compose is to write a new, you write a new email. Yeah, next, print. Okay, it's to a paper copy. And reply to an email. Okay, guys, that's all for this week. I hope that you complete the activities in your folder and have the evidence of this work. Thank you so much. Happy weekend.